And I'll tell you what the fish is. It's not a secret. It's a blowfish. You know, the blowfish, you see how it blows up? Now, if you dry the blowfish and you dry it, there's a certain part of the blowfish which is poisonous. It is not a secret, and and that poison can cause a lot of damage. Um, so from what I heard from growing up in Haiti, when they dry that fish and they use it to poison people, and then um, the person who's poisoned becomes in a state where um, he's it looks like the person died, but the person really didn't die. Um, and the parents of the person who is in a state where the person looks like the person died, um, they rush to bury the person, and then by doing that, the voodoo priest who is aware of that person being poisoned, they go after the person was buried. They go and get the person from the burial grave, and take the person to their house and or to a room where there are other zombies there where they can associate with. And what they really do is take those zombies and make them work for them. But you know, in the neighborhood, everybody thought the person died, but the person really didn't die. The person was just poisoned. For the person was just poisoned, and then the voodoo priest who knows what to do to to help that person that was poisoned. They use whatever they want to use. They know to use to resuscitate the person. Just like when you go to the doctor and you under anesthesia, you in a state where it's like you dead, really. You know you cannot move, and sometimes you don't know anything, and they operate on you, they cut you, they do whatever they want. It's the same thing. That person is in a state where they don't know anything, and actually sometimes they smell, you know, and sometimes they blow up just like the blowfish. And then people think, oh my God, let us rush this person and let us go and bury that person fast. And whereas the person was just poisoned, but you have to know what to do to remedy the situation. Basically, that's about what I know. Have I heard zombies? Yes. Have I seen one? I've seen one, I believe. They do exist. But it is not something that I practice. I do not practice voodoo. And I heard that also with the voodoo priests, if a Christian is poisoned, if you try to raise that Christian from the dead, usually the Christians don't respond. If you're a believer, you believe in God, usually they don't respond for because of their belief. They don't respond to the voodoo priest, and it's difficult for a voodoo priest to go there and raise a person who believes in God. Usually that doesn't work for them, for the priest. If the person dies, the person dies, and the soul of that person goes to God. So that's basically what I know about the zombie recipe. If you have any questions, you could leave a comment, and I would address it if possible. All right, thank you for watching. Come back. I will have a lot of videos coming up about the things that I know that I want to share with the public, and there's no secret. I know there's nothing too much that you're not supposed to know. It is good for you to know these things, and don't be scared of a zombie if you see one. It's just a human being that was poisoned, and the person was buried, but the person was not really dead. The person came back to life. Okay, and don't be scared of zombies. Thank you very much, and thanks for watching.